Hi guys, today in the last part of the introduction to select good carabiner for you, the hook. So you have a little piece that is just here, and depending the technique you use with ropes, it's called hooking. So you open your carabiner and you pass and you attach it. So the problem will come when you come out and it will get stuck. And some are very sharp, so like this one, they're a little bit more damaging for the ropes or annoying to get caught in it. So it's always good to check. Example with those, it's flat, less chance to get caught. Round, it's very nice also, so you don't have a risk to get cut. Pass under the skin, tack, you want to remove, it's easy. So take a look if you see a hook or a flat surface. That can be a nice advantage or a problem coming. Wish you enjoyed this series of introduction for the carabiner. Have a good day, guys.